Hey, I'm Sven and this is QuickText, a simple tool for sending SMS messages straight from Excel. Not from your phone's tiny screen, not from some clunky website. Directly from the spreadsheet you already use every day. Want to message your customers, clients or team? Just enter the numbers and messages in Excel. Click a button, done. So what is QuickText really? It's a lightweight Excel template. No hidden fees, no cost per message. It connects your computer and your Android phone. Every SMS goes out through your own phone, using your existing mobile plan. No cloud, no extra charges, no middleman. It works anywhere you have Excel and an Android phone. Germany, the US, India, anywhere with mobile coverage. How does it work? First, install KDE Connect on your PC, a free application that links your computer and your phone. Then install KDE Connect on your Android phone. Pair your phone and computer over Wi-Fi. Open QuickText. Click on Connect your phone, select your phone, and you're ready to go. Now just enter your SMS right in Excel. Personalize bulk messaging? Easy. Add placeholders like first name in your message, then fill in the details for each contact in the placeholder tab. Now each person gets a message with their own details. No manual copy-pasting needed. Want to see what your message will look like? Turn on test mode to preview messages before anything goes out. Send one SMS or 100, all from your own phone and SIM card. Why use QuickText? You don't have to learn anything new. You already know Excel. No additional cost, just your regular mobile plan. No daily limits, unless you set them yourself. Messages are sent directly from your phone, so replies come straight to you. And it's fast. Send messages in seconds with optional custom delays to space them out. What else can it do? Built-in number cleaning. Formats and checks your contact list automatically. Spin text for unique messages. Makes every SMS a bit different. And there's a free version available. Try it out, no credit card needed. You stay in control, all your data stays on your devices, no tracking, no middleman. QuickText is for people who want things simple, who want to reach customers fast without any extra tools or paying per message. So if you want to use your own phone plan and get replies right on your phone, give QuickText a try.